Now, you are welcome to another lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create our YouTube channel. So let's first of all go to our browser, our address link or address bar, and type youtube.com. So just type youtube.com. Then you are going to see this interface. Now, because you have signed in with your Gmail, you are going to see that you have signed in. But if you have not signed in, you are going to see an inscription here showing that sign in. So that's where you are going to use your email account to sign in. But I always suggest you to use the same email account I use to create your blog, to use for your YouTube channel. Okay, so now you're going to create the account. So let's click on the icon here, this particular icon here. Then you go to create channel. So you click on create channel. Then you start with the name. So your name is John. Then your handle. So with this handle, okay, the name. You can add another name to it. Let's say Appear. Okay. So any name that you give, it will generate a handle for you, or that is the form of a username. But you can edit it. So maybe at John Appear has been taken, so you can use a John Appear 2023. So if it is accepted, you see that the green inscription here will show. Okay, so you can upload your image here. Then you click on create channel. Then your channel will be created. So when your channel is created, this is the name people will use to search for you. Okay, so that is the name people will use to search for you. So in case you have created, you see that your channel is being created. Check back in few moments. Okay, so now our channel has been created. So we are going to start with the editing, the interface of our channel, or the interface, or how we are going to use our channel to post and promote our blog. Okay, so now from here, let's go and click on that icon again. Now if you click on the icon, you can see that the interface has now changed, and now you have your channel. That means your channel has now been created. You have a YouTube studio. With this YouTube studio, it helps you to monitor the growth of your videos and how closer you are to monetization. So we have that one also there. So let's go to your channel. Let's click on your channel so that you can see how your channel looks like when others visit you. So when others visit your channel, this is how it's going to be. Okay, so we have the home, we have the playlist, we have the channels, other channels that you have, or other channels you have subscribed to. Then you have the about, that's about your page. Okay, so if you want to customize your channel, let's customize our channel. Let's click on this. Okay, so let's click on continue. Okay, so now you see that when you click on that manage, I go to send you to your YouTube studio. That's where you have the ability or the chance to edit everything on your blog. So mainly I always advise you to go to the YouTube studio for your editing. Okay, now let's start from here. Let's start from the dashboard. So let's click on dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard. This is your dashboard. So with your dashboard, you can monitor your videos that you've uploaded, your analytics, your growth of your blog, how much views, how much subscribers you have, how much view hours that you have, the growth of your videos, individual videos, the top videos, and their views and others. So you can use this page to monetize. Now the content also will display the videos you have uploaded. So you have the videos. If you have a live video, you can showed here. Where playlist to show your list of the playlist here. Then the podcast also, you can also show your podcast here. Okay, then we have the analytic. The analytic is what I was talking about. The growth, how your your page or your channel is growing. The views you are getting from for a particular video, and you can monitor your subscription, your likes, your comments, everything about your video, how people are subscribing to your video. You can also use the analytic to analyze and see if you are making progress or not. Then you have the comment section. So the comment section, we have options to restrict people from commenting. That's before a comment is posted or a comment is displayed live, you can restrict it or you can head it for review. So that's where we have this option here. So you can when you go to the editing, you're going to do that. You have the subtitles here, which shows the subtitles of your videos. You have the copyright addition. That means when your video is a copyrighted or it violates the copyright terms of YouTube, it will be showed here. So that's the copyright section. Then you have the end. The end is the most important thing here. That's most of the reason why people use YouTube. So that is how much you have earned from your YouTube. So before you can earn from YouTube, there are some conditions you need to fulfill. The first one is you need to first of all reach 1,000 subscribers. That is the first condition. So if you are able to reach 1,000 subscribers, then in addition to 1,000 subscribers, you either fulfill any of these two. That's either you have a 4,000 hours public views within a year. That's a year range, or you have, let's see, you need to have short videos. That's videos less than 60 seconds videos. That we call them short. So if you have such videos, you need to have a 10 million views for that video. That's a total video, not just one video. So if you're able to fulfill this one, that means you are eligible for monetization. Then you can tell YouTube to email you when you are complete. So that is the first option. Then after the first option is completed, then you complete some basic things. That is, you need to have a two-step verification, which is very important, so that to restrict people from or hackers from hacking your accounts. Then you also need to follow the community guidelines. That is why when I talk about the copyright issue, you need to follow it. Then after that, the last stage is you pass a review. They will review your channel and see if it is okay, or if it does not violate the terms and conditions of YouTube, or if it does not deal with anything that is unlawful. So that is the review session. Then if everything goes through for you, then your YouTube will be ready for monetization. Then you can link it to your Access account, then you start earning. Okay, so now let's talk of the customization. So the customization, you are going to start from the layout. So how you want your blog to be laid, the layout of your blog. So you have the video spotlight. So let's start from here. So channel trailer. You can select one of your videos, or you can do a short video that describes your channel. So anytime anybody visits your channel, that video will start to play automatically. So you can use that one. So you just click on add and then add that particular video to your channel. Then you also have a featured video. That's a video when somebody subscribes, come to your channel and subscribe, but later on see another video and wants to come back again to your channel. That video, there's a video that the person can watch. You can add that one too, so that the person will watch when he comes back to your channel. Okay, so you also have other sessions here, which is what the short videos and the others. So for that one, we don't need that one. So let's go to the branding. The branding is very important. Have the picture, that's the profile picture. Now when your blog, your channel opens, the picture that people will see, it can be your own picture, it can be your company's picture, it can be your logo. So that's one you just upload it. You click on upload and you upload it. You can also use a banner. There's a banner that you can use. Let's go to our blog. Let me go to my YouTube channel. So you can see the image at this section here. This is what them as what the banner. So you can also add that one to your blog. That's the brand that we are talking about. You are branding it. Okay, so that's it. Then you also have the watermark. So you can also add watermark as any video, any of the video when you're playing any of the video, you can add a watermark. It can be your logo, it can be your picture, any other thing, you can add it here. So you just need to upload it and you're good to go. So everything's okay, just click on publish and it will be published for you. Now let's go to the basic information. The basic information is about the name of your blog. So you see the name of your blog was John Appear, so you can change it to, let's say, blog training, something like that, blog training. So if anybody search your search YouTube with this blog name, the person will find you. That's a blog training. So you can use this section to change the name of your blog. Then the handles too, you can use this section also to change the handles. Then you can add a description to your channel. Your channel is about, let's say, training people. It's an IT related blog, IT related channel. So you're going to use this description section to describe your channel. Then you're good to go. Okay. So we can also, so this is also the section where you can get your channel link. So maybe if you want to if you want to share your link, your channel link to other people, you can come to this section and then you copy this link and you share. Then you also have other links here. So let me go back to my blog, my Facebook again. Sorry, my channel. You can see that there is a link here, the Facebook link. You have my blog link here and Twitter link here. If you click on these links, it will send you to my personal handles, my Facebook handle here, my Twitter handle, and my blog. That is my my website. Let's say blog. Let me see my blog. That is it. So you can also add those links to your Facebook account. So that's it here. So you just click on add link. Then the link title, let's say if it's Facebook, you just add Facebook. Then you go and copy the URL link or URL address of that particular page and come and paste it here. Then you save it. So you can add as many links as you want. So if you want to add more, just click on the add link and you're good to go. Okay. So that's it. So I think that will be all. Okay, so you can add your contact info. Because if somebody wants to contact you, you can add your email address here, then the person can contact you. And you just click on publish. Okay. So I think that's all. That's the most important thing. Now, maybe you want to post a video. Anytime you open your YouTube channel or you click on YouTube whilst you have logged in, you're going to see this button here, create with the camera and the plus in it. Just click on it. It will give you an option of what you want to do on YouTube. So you can upload your video, you can go live, you can add a new playlist, or you can add a new podcast. So let's click on upload video. Then you have this interface. You just click on select, or you can open your Explorer and then drag the video to this place to upload, or you just click on select files to send it to your system and then you upload the video there. Okay, so that is how we create our channel. So I think you create your own channel bless you. Okay, so we end the lesson here, and you're going to continue in another lesson. Thank you.